Hello YouTube friends. Alright, I'm on part 3 of removing, unbolting this compressor so that I can drop it down and get to the magnetic clutch to replace this coil. That's the coil that I've ordered, hoping it's the right part. They changed the design between 2007 and 2008. This is 2008 model. So right now I'm working on taking these 4 bolts out. The heads are 12 millimeters. This one is up behind, so I might have to get on it from the top. And this one I know is a little difficult because it's behind one of the refrigerant tubes. And I had taken that one loose before on checking it out, and it was hard to get to. Okay, so I'm going to leave this camera set up for a minute. I won't say that I'm going to get all of this on camera, but you can get the gist of what I'm doing here. So it's this bolt and this bolt. I've got those already loosened with a 12 millimeter with a ratchet, with a socket, just a regular socket. So these are loose. I'm going to tighten them, snug them back up just a little because I don't want to have the top ones in a bind when I'm trying to get them loose. So let me do that. Now up top I'm going to put a extension and reach way up top and see if I can get a ratchet on it. I don't think I can get a ratchet in there like that. I might have to try to find a deep well socket. I need it to be a little shorter than that assembly there. So let me try it with just this ratchet for now. Okay, it looks like I will be able to get it with just that ratchet. Yep, okay. Got that one. Now I'm quite sure that this one on the top, on the back side of the compressor, I had to use a box-in wrench, I think, to get it, because there's a fitting in the way. Yep, okay, so I hope you can see my wrench. That's the wrench right there. Alright, so move my camera just a little. Now let me push up on that. Yes, okay, it did loosen. Not real happy about that because the wrench turns just a little when you, and acts like it's trying to come off the head of the bolt. But that's the most difficult one, is the top mounting bolt towards the rear of the compressor. Okay, YouTube, I'm gonna cut this video off. This is part 3. I'll show it to you when I've dropped it down, because you're probably not seeing a whole lot now anyway. But all 4 of the mounting bolts are loose. Now one thing I'm going to be careful of, there's a wire. There's the wire connector that I'm not going to tear that up when I drop it down. Okay, YouTube, show you more on the next step.